Good afternoon, everyone. This is a updated video on the Harpoon and outdoor camp knife. It was in the last video that I had, and it's completed now. Everything is ready to ship out. This one is spoken for. 6 3/4 inch blade, and as you can see, it's got that classic Harpoon edge on it. A little better there. There we go. About 3/16 thick blade. It's a big knife, but it's not that heavy. Moves fast in your hand. These are good for survival type outdoor bushcraft people. It's also a good survival knife for self-defense if need be. Comes with a lanyard hole. And these are those loveless bolts that I've talked about in the past that I put on my really heavy duty knives. They actually screw right through the handle, and there's a nut on both sides, a round nut. Extremely strong, and along with epoxy, it's never going to come off. Anyway, the sheath. Make sure I don't cut the hell out of my finger here. There we go. The sheath, as always, is double stitched, waterproofed, and signed and dated on the back. Copper saddle makers rivets at all the stress points. And that's how I make all my sheaths. Anyway, this knife is spoken for, and I'll be making more of them as time goes on. I've already taken a couple orders for them. They seem to be quite popular. If you'd like to join the wait list on my site, that'll inform you of by email of any up and coming knives that I have for sale. 2 or 3 times a month if I have time for it. As always, you can contact me directly by email or phone. All that information is here on my YouTube channel or on my website. There'll be other videos here posted as soon as I can after the holidays. And we thank you for watching, and Merry Christmas to all of you there. Hope to see you again in the new year. Thanks for watching.